Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hi guys, of course, congratulations ulit for this collaboration and for the upcoming concert this weekend. Yung first question ko is, sa kanila. Sa tingin niyo, paano nakakatulong itong collaboration with the Japanese boy to further elevate our music, both music of P-pop and J-pop?
Sagutin ni Justin eh. Pablo.
So, opinion mo.
Ako po, I'm just really happy to be able to meet these wonderful guys. Pwede ko sila sabihin kids kasi ang babata pa nila eh. Pero sobrang mga talentado to. And to be able to share the same stage as them during the Dunk Festival, sobrang nakaka-overwhelm. It was an amazing experience for SB19 as well kasi first time namin sa Japan mag-perform sa malaking audience. Tapos nakakatawa lang kasi yung mga Japanese audience, even though they're not familiar with us, they're really like jumping sa music namin, nakiki-enjoy sila. So doon pala makikita mo na kahit na hindi nila kami ganun kakilala or iba sa amin kakilala, parang possible na ma-share namin yung culture namin sa kanila. And it's not impossible na talagang di ba sa Philippines very familiar tayo sa Japanese culture. Uso dito ang anime, Voltes 5 and everything. Hopefully in the future, if may mag-open the doors, we could also share what we have here in the Philippines to Japanese people. So, yeah. Yun naman po yung gusto namin.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.